Welcome to the Lancepilot.com demo. In this video, I'm going to show you a full overview of the platform. First, we need to sign in within our platform. So if you go to Lancepilot.com and click sign in, you'll redirect to the login page and you have to log in with your Google account. If you click continue with Google, it will log you in with your Google account. So Lancepilot is the world's first meta-compliant WhatsApp cold outreaching tool, and we stand out because with Lancepilot you can easily start your WhatsApp marketing, even if you are a beginner. When a user log on to Lancepilot platform, they see a nice dashboard and features ready to power their marketing. Right after log into the platform, they will require to connect their number with WhatsApp Business API. And with Lancepilot, it's easy to connect with WhatsApp Business API in less than 5 minutes using Meta Embedded Sign Up. Let me show you how it works. So after logging in, you'll need to go to the channel section and you need to click Create Channel. After that, you need to click Go to Channels and Add New Channel. You need to select your currency and click Connect. Then you will need to log in with your Facebook. You need to click Get Started. Then you need to fill out your information to connect your number. So this is basically you are creating a business profile. So let me just fill it out. Then click Next. Now you need to put your number here and you need to verify it. Please note, you should always use a fresh new number which is not associated with any WhatsApp app or WhatsApp business app. So let me just add a number. Once you receive the OTP, you need to type it here. Then click Next. Your number has been successfully connected. Click Finish. You have successfully created a channel and connected your number. Now you need to connect this number to our system Lancepilot. So if you go to the channel section again and you will have to click Connect Channel. So you'll need the channel ID. So before connecting the number with Lancepilot, you need to turn on the 2FA. So click here, click the two-factor authentication and give it a PIN. Click Register PIN. So your 2FA is successfully enabled. Now you need to connect this channel with Lancepilot. So you need to copy the channel ID, then just put it in here and click Connect Your Channel. So you have successfully connected your channel with Lancepilot. So you'll see a bunch of information, your number here, the date you connected, your balance, and everything within this channel section. So the webhook status is still activating. Let me just reload it and it's been activated. So since we have successfully connected the number and the channel with Lancepilot, now we can start creating templates, sending marketing campaigns using all the features that we have.